gave us utmost support with our matters, and we expect a ruling within this week or next week probably. But for today's concerns, I know we have prepared a memoranda as the advocates within the Eastern Bar to share with you the most pressing matters that we endure. Key of those, my lord, is the aspect of delay. Delayed justice defeats justice, my lord. We are alive to the challenges that you endure, but 10 years, my lord, is a long time. I'm appearing in this same session. I have a matter which is also as old as 10 years, my lord. One of the parties passed away. The general matter has lost relevance because of that delay. Someone spoke of 20 years that he has been coming to court. We need to do better. We need to serve the public better if we are to make justice accessible. So I would implore you to devise mechanisms to reduce the delay, to address the delay. That is where we are failing the most. My lord, since this year began, we have done a number of engagements with the public. We have been to most of the prisons in this country, and indeed the critical complaint of the members and the public and the inmates is many are serving their terms before their appeals are heard. The last time we had a session here, two of the persons I was appearing for simply told me, no, just withdraw the appeal because I've already served the term. That can't be justice, and we cannot say that we are in a justice system that would administer such a level of justice. That somebody serves his term before his appeal is heard. Recall a circular, or to foster the recall of a circular. It is number 2 of 2020. My lord, that circular there limits and restricts the jurisdiction of the High Court to attend to inter-country adoptions. Right now in the regions, we are traveling with the adoptive parents, adoptive and the children to the family, the High Court Family Division to attend to a case of adoption, my lord. It becomes burdensome on the litigant, but also the system. We can't speak about access to justice and then we are telling someone to travel to Kampala, to travel a long distance before they can access that justice. It either speaks of the mistrust we have in the judicial officers or the doubts we have. I don't see why a judge of the High Court sitting in Mbale does not hear an adoption matter and we have to travel to Kampala. Our meeting was set. I spoke to the prisons in Mbale, and the report was that the Court of Appeal has greatly reduced the backlog in that station there. They don't have many persons who have overstayed pending hearing of their appeals. The biggest problem right now is in Jinja. Jinja, my lord, is where there is a problem that if anything must be done, it should be done urgently, immediately, and drastically.
Pending criminal appeals, I agree because I know the status of, because I was the principal judge, so I know the status of all these appeals in various places. But we shall try as much as possible to handle it. Now,